Welcome to HopSkop Shop, our simple and hassle-free shop to create your very own shirts. Firstly, make sure to go to www.hopskop.co.za. The process of creating your shirt is very easy.
To start, click on Select a Design. Here you will see all the different categories that you can choose from. Choose your desired category. You can now browse through all the designs in the category that you chose.
Select the design that you want. You can now select the type of product you want the design to be printed on. We will select the short sleeve shirt.
You can now select the type of print you want. The DTG is a higher quality print at a higher price. The direct-to-film is a very good quality print at a lower price. Next, you will have the options to select the color of your shirt. Once you have selected a color for your shirt, you can select the desired size. Detailed sizing can be found in the Sizing Details tab. You can now enter the quantity you want of each size. You can also select more than one size. Next, you can either go to Checkout or further customize the design. We will customize the design further.
To customize the design, you can simply select the design and resize it to your liking. You will notice that the price is higher for a bigger design. You can now position the design to where you want it printed. To modify the color of the print, simply select the color that you want to change and then modify it to your liking. You can also completely remove a color from the design. You can now preview your product before you continue to check out.
If you are satisfied with your product, you can choose to check out or continue to further modify your product. You will be required to enter your details and register as a user before confirming delivery and payment.
Thank you for your support and happy shopping.